This is a 1963 Series 1 3.8 litre E-Type Jaguar. It's been meticulously restored by David Ferguson and his team at Images European. This car was repainted in its original cream colour, otherwise known as Old English white, and is absolutely stunning in person. The interior has been completely retrimmed in burgundy leather and has all the hallmark accents of an early Series 1, including the aluminum trim in the cockpit and the switchgear and gauges, all completely authentic. The original numbers matching 3.8 litre engine was completely rebuilt. It was mated to the original Moss gearbox. This one had very little wear when the car was discovered prior to restoration and operates very nicely. This car was completely rebuilt from the ground up, a complete nut and bolt restoration. Every single component has either been restored or replaced, with the preference being on restoration, so that you get a very authentic and usable vehicle. The car is very comfortable to drive, as it has dished floors, unlike the flat floors of the very early cars. So the driver can really stretch out and get a great driving position. The car is a pleasure to drive, which is testament to the skill and accuracy of the rebuild, including all the suspension components and drivetrain. It has absolutely the performance and presence that you need to feel comfortable driving this car in modern traffic. That being said, it really works best on the roads for which it was intended, which is tight, twisty country roads. It's an absolute delight.